Hello and welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. Today's meditation is on fellowship, fellowship between us and the divine. In each of us is that spark of the divine, that part of us that is part of the whole. And it is always seeking its way home to be part of the whole. So we want to flame that fellowship today. We want to, take that little spark within us and fan it, make it strong so that we feel the connection between us and the divine. Today's affirmation will be, how excellent is thy name in the earth, O Lord. Would I have fellowship with thee, I must show brotherly love to my fellow man. Though I come in humbleness and have aught against my brother, my prayer, my meditation does not rise to thee. Help thou my effort and my approach to thee. I know that Old English can be difficult, but you get the gist. Just follow along and it makes sense. As always, we start with the prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. And I am looking all over. I had my chimes in my heart. Here we go. This happens a lot, doesn't it, guys? Sorry about that. Lord's Prayer, prayer of protection. Then we go into a guided meditation. I'll read the affirmation, and then there's a silent moment. At the end of the silent moment, you hear the chimes, so you know I'm going to speak and not jolt you out. As we pull ourselves back in, we lower our minds to our feet in front of us and we roll the energy toward us, up our body to the top of our head. Then we have our mind go to the bottom of our heels and roll the energy up behind us, over our head to the third eye. This strengthens us, brings back up our energy, zips us up strong, and we close with the 23rd Psalm. Let's get started. Take a deep breath, relax, and close your eyes. Take another deep breath and begin scanning your body. And notice, is there any tightness or discomfort? And if there is, bring your attention to that spot and invite your body to relax and let go. Notice how your body follows your mind. Mind is the builder. Take another deep breath and just feel totally relaxed. Invite yourself to let go of all blocks and start to just become one with all that's around you. Feel yourself expanding in comfort, and we begin with the prayer of protection. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Take another deep breath, and in this very relaxed state of peace and security, knowing you are totally safe, allow your spirit within your body to start to expand. Feel your spirit expanding and filling your entire body. Now feel it moving out your paws and into your energy field around you as you expand larger and larger. Your spirit now is encompassing you, your body, instead of your body holding your spirit. And notice at the top of your spirit, there is a connection to the divine. It is always there, this beautiful beam of energy and light. Let us allow our energy and our spirit to move toward the center, moving up that beautiful divine being and requesting to be with the whole. And we will sit silently as we enjoy this moment with the whole. How excellent is thy name in the earth, O Lord. Would I have fellowship with thee, I must show brotherly love to my fellow man. Though I come in humbleness and have aught against my brother, my prayer, my meditation does not rise to thee. Help thou my efforts in my approach to thee. Let us say a little thank you and appreciation for this time with the divine, for the time it gave us to strengthen our fellowship. And as we bring our spirit tighter back into our bodies, in our mind's eye, we reach down and roll the energy toward us from our feet all the way up the front of our body to the top of our head. And behind us from our heel, we roll it up our back, over our head to the third eye. As we pull in fully and completely, feeling the attention, the energy back in our fingers and toes, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me besides the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye now.